Luxury condominium. Third floor, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 new full baths. Kitchen features open floor plan, wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, Blue Star oven, wine cooler, skylight, recessed lighting throughout, and gleaming wood floors. All closet and entry doors have been replaced. Washer and dryer are new and in the unit. Storage space, new boiler, and hot water heater. Private garage and parking. There is a health club with 2 pools, tennis, racquetball, gym, track, and sauna. 24-hour security and gatehouse. Pets welcome. Call Rhonda Klahr at 718-224-4949.